world is changing rapidly.
We're seeing the devastating effects of climate change every day. Climate risks translate into financial risks.
It's a critical time around climate disclosures. Companies need to mitigate their exposure by measuring their carbon footprint in the same way they measure their dollars and cents.
With Workiva, you have the in-category market leader for financial and non-financial reporting with an investor-trusted and audit-ready platform. With Persefoni, you have climate technologists building a game-changing SaaS platform.
Persefoni helps you simplify carbon accounting so you can measure accurately, reliably, and in real time.
Our partnership with Persefoni is a powerful opportunity to deliver an end-to-end solution for all your carbon accounting and reporting needs.
This solution is groundbreaking because it allows our customers to automate the reporting of their emissions by seamlessly integrating auditable Persefoni data into Workiva.
This helps customers stay on the forefront of their goals, business needs, and policy requirements.
This partnership really does inspire hope.
Workiva and Persefoni's joint solution will improve accuracy, trust, and transparency, saving you time and reducing risk.
We believe this will create a future with greater trust and transparency.
Together, we're excited to unlock a holistic approach to ESG reporting so you're covered no matter what comes your way.